This week's question is 2 words that rhyme. The first one is something with faces on it, and the second one is something produced by animals. Time to get to the last week's question, and the question was which 2 words go with news and toilet? Harley Hind, Iris Fisher, and Pennant Fever all said paper. And yes, that is one of them. Now let's see what you guys have put with it. Mo and Skeptic Helen say channel. Casey Maist says papered. Dude, did you just try and keep your own house and fail? Yeah. You're a freak. Christian Barbieri says cabinet.
Jerry says leakage.
Alaire, Gigi, Thoughtful Mouse, and Mist International all said outlet. Womkirth and Calvin Balling both said anchor. What? It's the closest thing I had. AGN says toiletries. Boston's says article. Vicent says cleaner. MrDanglyLegs and Lovely Oladino both said station. Oh, look at that. 2 dinosaurs. Jimin says scandal. Christopher Lort and Frank Willard IT said service. Christopher Lort also says reading. Trained. Reports. Updates. Content and matters. Believe it or not, but all these answers are actually technically correct. The answer I was thinking of is reading. But the first person to comment, and our winner for this week is Jerry! Congratulations to you! That gives Jerry his first win, which puts his total earnings on $10. And this gives the world 7 points, and they get further ahead. Lean Fans Ultimate Question of the Week. Quote, this is the game show that rewards you for having free time. Because if you see the video first and know the answer, you are guaranteed to get the point. So quit your job so you can win the quote.